all, I'd like to thank all of you for your time, for coming here today, to try to get to know me and try to get to know Chloe and try to see kung yung effort po ninyo to see kung ano talaga ang maibibigay ng pelikulang to at ng mga artista na part ng pelikulang to at yung creatives at saka yung mga scriptwriters namin and above all Star Cinema and Direct Chito Ronyo. So thank you for giving us a chance to show our audience na this is a movie that is worth watching, na hindi masasayang ang pera ninyo. Uuwi kayo nang mag-iisip talaga kayo, yung mga gustong pumasok sa mundo ng mga mistresses. Pag napanood nyo siguro, baka feeling ko, siguro 50% ng mga gustong pumasok ay aayaw na o baka yung mga nakapasok ay aalis na. Mag-walk out na sa ganung klaseng buhay. Kasi hindi siya masayang buhay. So, thank you po for giving us a chance to be able to let our audience know na itong pelikulang po, hindi masayang ang pera ninyo at hindi po ito nag-glorify ng masama. Ano lang, marami po kayo talagang matututunang aral. So, sana po, panoorin ninyo. Thank you so much for being here today.
Ito, like I assure you, pagkatapos po sa last part ng movie, papalakpak kayo, which happened nung premiere night. And sa report namin, sa mga sinihan daw, nagpapalakpakan after watching the movie. And again, thank you so much in behalf of Star Cinema and of course, Miss Chloe Barreto is so back na wala pa rin kupas talaga, napakahusay. Thank you, Chloe, for giving us Chloe. Thank you.
Picture taking.
Yes, picture taking with the vloggers. Enjoy the rest of the afternoon, everyone.
Ito talaga yung picture taking po.